Hello. Hey guys. Hi. I really wanted to go live now for like a few minutes because it's been a long time. It's been a long time. Hi. Hey Candy. Hi Ishpreet. Nishtha. I'm gonna take all your names. Rimi. Vidhi. Hi. Hey Sneezy. Hi guys. Zia, what's up? I know after so long. It's been a while. Hi. Hi Shireen. Hi girl. Namaste. Drishti, what's up? I said your name. Hi. B. Jinjin. Thank you so much. This makeup was like, I decided to go, I'm saying, I decided to shoot, but I was like, maybe I'll do something normal, so like just like get ready with me, catch you up. This is what happened. I was like, no, I'll do like a blue ombre and like a slightly peachy inner corner, and that's what happened. Hi. I'm in my new home. Yeah, dude, this is incredible. It is so freaking bright. Like I can't even handle the light. It's so bright. I'm so glad. It feels so good. The blue is popping. It is. It's like so good. Thank you for all your compliments. Guys, honestly, I edit all my videos and I shoot all my videos. So expecting a video every day is like impossible because there's only so much I can do. A lot of you are like, where's your next video? Where's your next video? Like, can't. My next video is tomorrow anyway. I'm releasing the vlog, the 4th episode of the home series. Yeah, that is really exciting because it's a fun. There's so many comments, I'm getting distracted. My earrings are from H&M, yeah? All my accessories are from H&M, all. Unless like, I get it from somewhere else, but. Hello! It feels too good, yeah, being in the new apartment and like having so much space. So I can like do this to my arms. See the light is just like blinding. Thank you, Swati, for congratulating me on my verification at last. Thank you, Pragya. You're so sweet. Tatiana's gone, darling, for a while. My lipstick, I just put on the Estee Lauder 410 Dynamic. I just found it in my front row and I put it. It's like a pinky cream color. This is the color. Just threw that on. It's very moisturizing, so. Thank you, Ankita. That is so sweet. Sneak peek of my house here. Literally, I'm telling you, I will definitely do a house tour, but for that I need like at least 1 more month because I have to settle. Like the rugs haven't come in yet. There are some more wall lamps I want to, like wall lights I want to put up. So like doing a home tour like kacha is like doesn't make sense only. So till then I'm still showing you my house waise bhi, like in my vlog and all I'm showing you the entire thing, but of course a decked up house will take a while because yeah. Miss you too, Sue. I'm just so many comments. Hi. Where did you buy your ties? What ties? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I have ties. Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you. It's been a while, girl. It's been a while. I haven't filmed in a week and I was like, shit, there's not been foundation on my face and I needed some makeup. So I decided to glam. Today was not the day I wanted to film a video, but I'm like, who the hell cares? I'm gonna film. So yeah, I did that. French accent. French accent is a little bit difficult. Like, I don't know if I can. It's a little bit tough. Yeah, I need to like listen to someone. I was watching Johnny English yesterday, and there was like a heavy French accent. I don't know if you guys have watched Johnny English, but Johnny English, right? Yeah. My favorite color is purple. I like purple. I love white, coral, like this peachy color, and all pastels. Blue, mint, lavender, rose colors, like all of those tones are my favorite. And I like lots of colors. Beige is my number one. Like, if my whole house was shades of nudes, that would be ideal. I'm trying my best to do that, but it's like, it's a lot. I gotta include some color. Thank you. Nudes. I'm going live after so long. It's crazy. Yeah, I love beige. Of course, I love beige. Are you excited for the match? Which match? Like, don't ask me about sports. Like, I don't know anything about sports. I don't watch it. I don't like it. I don't care for it. Sorry. Face cream. I'm using the pomegranate face cream from Face Shop right now. And Laneige and a bunch of moisturizers actually. But mostly the pomegranate one from the Face Shop is the one I go to. Yeah. Ooh. Thank you so much, Astha. BTS. What about BTS? I like their songs when I listen to it. Like whenever it plays on the autoplay. But apart from that, I'm not like a fan. I don't know what their names are. I can't identify one singer from the other. Like, no clue. Talk in a British accent. Your house is so lucky. You got. I did get verified. I think it's a coincidence, you guys. Like, I think if I was in the old house, I would still get verified. But yeah. Videos with Jake now is difficult because we live quite far. But yeah, you should like totally bombard his DMs and say, shoot with Mars. Then he'll make some time for me. Guys, please don't ask for house tour. It's not coming up till December. Like, I'm giving you like a max timeline of December because I just moved in a week ago and I need time to set up the house. Like, I need to put in my touch. I need to like do stuff like that. I cannot just, there's so many things that need to be done still. So yeah, definitely don't expect a house tour in this month or the next month for sure. नहीं होगा, उसके बाद ही होगा. Hi Shivani, what's up? Thank you so much. The palette, I used the Huda Beauty palette today, like both. One is the sapphire eyes, I guess, and one is the nude one. I will tell you everything, where I got my furniture from, where I got my every piece in this house. I'm going to tell you where I got it from in the house tour vlog. But there, you have to wait. You have to wait, girl. There are still some cartons in my kitchen. For some Aquaguard ka carton is there. Something, it's just like stuff around, So I'm not going to film the vlog like that. You know me, girl. I'll do it really well when I do it. Thank you, Nuha. Hello. Hi, Nishu. Thank you so much for Mauritius. I have not visited Chennai, have I? No, I don't think so. I am not planning to get a puppy. I don't think I'm planning to get any living thing in my house because both of us are very wrapped up in work. Like, we wake up and we just do not have time for anything else. Yeah, so no puppy, no cats, nothing like that. Plants is as far as I'll go to take care of a living thing, but that's it. I'm not cooking. I despise cooking, you guys. Like, I cannot stand cooking. It's something that gives me stress, whereas for some people it's a stress buster. I just like let people who know how to cook do their thing, nah. Like, I cannot cook. Really, I'm telling you, I don't have like time only. I wake up and I start my routine, like go to the gym, I come back, I film videos till like 5. So I have like zero, and I don't like also cooking. That's another thing. I can't stand next to the gas and it's too hot. Oh, it feels amazing to put makeup on. Like, literally feels so great. Fully glam. My lenses are from Fresh Look. The color grey. Hi Arpita. Look, in my upcoming vlog, I'm taking you through my day and stuff like that. Like, I'm still continuing to film the home series, so don't worry. You will still get snippets of the house, snippets of my life, what's happening. Like, I always want to include you. You know that. The upcoming vlogs are fun, actually. Starting my day and like opening up the dishes, putting it in place, washing some battans. You're gonna love it. Lashes are Lila by Rufa Beauty. Lila, they're the new pair that she just launched. No home tour, guys. No home tour. Oh god. Where can I put this? Like, no home tour till the next 2 months. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm not doing any, dude, hair care vlog. My hair is the condition of my hair right now. I don't know how it's even like on my head. I have to do a major spa, dude. It's super dry. It's very, very, very dry. And yeah, I have to touch this up even more, get a little trim. The shift has like done a lot for me. I've hired someone to cook for me. There are people who know how to do stuff better than you. I feel like we shouldn't waste our time trying to do something firstly that we don't like, and then like hating the process, and like, why should you go through that whole feeling? So yeah, look for someone who loves to cook. Keep them. And that is it. That's what I believe. I am a teacher. I know. I'm very, very, very like maternal. Oh, I will show you my new Dyson. I have to show you the Dyson Coral. Yeah, it's the only straightener I use now. Because it's cordless. You just pick it up and then that's it. Like, I don't need a wire whatsoever. So I really love the Dyson Coral. I'll show it to you someday when I'm not rocking my curly hair. Oh, thank you, Donna1312. That means a lot. That means so much to me. My birthday is on 1st August. It just went away. Oh, so many hearts. Thank you, Yeshu. Amazon haul. Dude, I've ordered so much stuff from Amazon. I don't know where to start and finish. Girl, I don't know. I've ordered quite a lot, and still I've ordered some hangers, organizers, still from Amazon. Oh, it's getting bright. My bracelet is from Cartier. Ria, hi. The Dyson works. Yeah, it really does. Like, it's awesome. It's like, it's one of those products that is not going to give you like poker straight hair, because it's not meant to. So it gives you a very blow dried straight effect. It's not meant to give you that ekdam patla sa. Yeah, but it's nice. The convenience of it is good. The technology is good. It doesn't damage the hair. That's why you're paying like quadruple the price of a regular straightener. Those are the features of the straightener. Like, it doesn't damage your hair as much. It's cordless. It's got these plates that are, you know, tested, and like it's got airplane mode, and there's like so many features that a regular wire wala iron wouldn't have. That's why it's costing so much, and it's Dyson. Their technology is top notch. But again, it's a straightener. You know what I'm saying? I had cabbage and beans for lunch today, and roti. I've been having a lot of roti. Considering I'm a rice girl, I've been loving roti. Oh yeah, I'm like surrounded by forests. It's so crazy beautiful. It's really pretty. Some other hair straightener, Philips is good. I have one Philips in Akhil's house. Friend gifted it to me. Alan Truman, I guess, is good. I haven't used. I have it, not uses as much. Remington is awesome. Remington straightener is very good. Even if you're paying like 4,000 or 6,000 for a Remington straightener, you know that it's gonna be a long-lasting hair iron. Iconic I heard is good, but I'm not using Iconic. The thing is that straighteners that are for 2,000, 3,000 bucks now, like they're good, but I don't know, somehow it doesn't do the job. Like I rather spend a little more, like 4,500 or something like that, and then keep that straightener for life. Because I've had straighteners for years and I've just kept one straightener that I love a lot. So I don't switch straighteners, hair irons a lot. Just buy one good hair iron, because it is your hair after all. You don't want to use some cheap hair iron that damages the shit out of your hair, because those plates have to be like, I think ceramic, I'm not sure, like they have to be really good plates, and it doesn't iron that doesn't tug on your hair or break your hair or stuff like that. So you have to do a lot of research. Honestly, it's very, very subjective. Yeah, a lot of people like Iconic, a lot of don't. Super subjective. I like Remington a lot. Remington, hands down. Remington, it's really good. At least I do. I disagree with money doesn't always mean quality. I sort of disagree. After I used to think that, but after just like buying a lot of stuff and like going through the phase that I went through when I didn't have money to buy anything that I desire, to sort of being able to spend something, I realized that you get what you pay for. Yeah, literally. And I feel like the more I tried to like, be confused, I'm like, okay, no, maybe I'll just spend on this. I understand, like, obviously don't buy something expensive when you're like barely cutting it through, like, then your desires have to like curb a little bit, it has to stop. But just generally, when I've bought like cheap tripods and tripods for like 700 bucks and all of that, they have never worked for me. Yeah, they've ultimately been cheap plastic and they're broken. The minute I spend like 2,500 on a Digitech tripod, it lasts me like a year. So it's literally, I feel like you get what you pay for. I completely go with that statement, at least as far as my experience is concerned. Because even like, what do you say, lots of things I've noticed, even makeup for that fact, na. Like you pay thoda extra money and you buy a better brand, doesn't mean the brand will be good or that particular powder will be good, but as compared to like a low quality product, I don't know, I feel like that's what it is. It is what it is. And you have to look at the technology of your straightener. You have to look at like what it's giving you, what kind of features are there. It is your hair, skin, home. These are things like I feel like you could spend on a little bit, because it's going to be sitting in your home forever. Like the dishes you buy is going to be your dinner plate and lunch plate for the rest of your life if it lasts. So these are things you could, spend on a little. The Dyson is working really nice. It's right in front of me. It works really great for me. My hair is very difficult. Like, how some people curl their hair and it stays curled. They straighten and it stays straight. My hair is not like that. So I'll take a curler. I'll curl my hair with a curling iron. In 2 hours flat, it's just gonna like go all the way. Even straightener, my hair will never stay poker straight, because I've seen some of my friends, they straighten their hair and it lasts the entire night. I'm just like, maybe it's the texture. So it's very subjective. So I straighten my hair with the Dyson, it'll stay beautiful, or any straightener for that fact. It'll stay for max 2 hours. After that, it's gone back, girl. It's gone back to like a very blow dried effect. You know, it's not going to be like focus straight for sure. At least my hair doesn't. And I've realized product does not sit well on my hair. Like, not these mousses. Like, you know how people put like a lot of product before straightening the hair or something? Cannot use product on my hair. My hair it becomes so oily, and yeah, I don't. Hairsprays are a complete no for me. It does not hold my hair together. So the lesser product I use, the better my hair is, I guess. Super subjective though. Like, just literally do what suits your skin, do what suits your hair. Like, it just works for you the way it works for you, you know. Yes, something for blackheads. I also have a lot of blackheads on my nose. Yeah, they're like super tiny. You can't even see it. Nose patches are my favorite. Those hip hop blackhead removers. Like, those are my favorite. And I have that blackhead sucking thing machine. And I go for cleanup. So, but nothing entirely gets rid of my blackheads. Nothing. It comes back. It's like here to stay sort of a thing. So, yeah. So, yeah. Closet tour. Dude, I have nothing exciting in my closet. Zero. This is probably the most exciting outfit I have at the moment. And my friends would agree. Like, Veronica, if you're here, you would agree. Like, I have... Look at this underneath. I'm wearing black ganji. It's all I wear. I live in black and white ganjis and joggers. H&M Basics is my wardrobe. Just go to H&M Basics and just run through the basics. All the hoodies, the tube tops, this is also H&M. Yeah, very basic lady. Super basic. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm getting so many tips. Wow, this is a very nice live session. It's very like chit chat. I'm liking it. Why are you laughing? What did I say funny? See, I found another straight piece. Dyson Airwrap, I cannot live without. Like, I know some people like just doesn't work for them, but my Dyson Airwrap is one thing that I need almost. Like, if I have to blow dry my hair, it's Dyson. Like, I don't know, it stays so beautiful. Like, my hair stays so good. I think I've like figured out a way to use the Dyson. Maybe I'll do a video on it, but again, it's subjective. It may not last on people with permanently straight hair. You know, one of those hair that is just silky straight. Your curls will never last, like, no matter what you do. So your hair texture has to be very unruly, like very moldable. If it's like that, then your hair, Dyson's gonna work on you. Yeah. Very thirsty, yeah. I'm talking too much. I have done Sistine hair treatment. What have I not done to my hair? I have done bonding. Hair bonding, that's what it's called. I did it when I was 13 years old. Fried the shit out of my hair. I don't know why my parents allowed me. I was too stubborn. I did Sistine, like, you know, keratin. All of those are really great for the first week. Like, it's deliciously smooth. It's like, I don't have to touch up my hair. Second week onwards, holy shit, I'm like, I should have never, like, it's the worst. I used to curb my curls so much, like, I still do, but I'm just like, F it, you know. At one point you're just like, F it, like, you know, I can't deal, you know. But yeah, I've done Sistine and stuff. I cannot. It's everything. Anything fake is only good for like the first 2 weeks. Like, I'll get a fresh haircut and blow dry first week, brilliant. After that, God knows what happened to it. You know, you get like lash extension, beautiful. Give it like 1 month and you see your lashes. Oh my God, it's just nothing stays permanently. So rebonding, yeah, hair rebonding. That's what I did. Poker straight hair. I had hair till my bum. Everybody used to look at my hair because it was like shiny ass. Lord. Then of course you can see my root, right? I started getting that curly and straight. It was a disaster. It was like the worst thing ever. Now I've realized, like, embrace your natural anything na, tension free. This the day you start accepting that this is my hair, it's frizzy and it is what it is, what are you gonna do? So yeah, I like Dysoning my hair. So what? Kuch bhi. Of course, like, I definitely like my curls, but they don't stay like this. I go to bed, this, that, I toss it, turn it, I don't take care of it. My hair becomes like a frizzy mess. I'll show you my hair, like, it comes like this, like, itna bada my hair is. It's like, you've seen Monica, na, the Friends episode, Monica. Double that. It's the frizziest, and I am on camera like almost every day. I'm filming something, right? So I need to be a certain way. Like, influencers in general, they need to be styled no matter what. So blow drying my hair makes me feel very like proper. Like, I love looking a certain way because I do a lot of beauty shots, right? So I need my hair to be a certain way, and I love it. Like, I love Dysoning my hair because if I Dyson it once, it lasts me like 5 days. I don't have to touch another heating product except just like straightening my roots a little bit. So yeah, I love my curly hair, but I also love blow drying my hair. And the curly girl method, I don't have patience for. Like I said, do whatever suits you. Like, you can see everyone's method. Ultimately, what is suiting you, do that only. I tried the whole curly girl method. I don't have patience, yeah. I can't scrunch it for like so long. Gile baal mein, cannot do it. I'm talking too much now. I can't. I'm just gonna do what suits me, do what I think works, and that's it. Dandruff, I have no idea. I've not had that much dandruff in my life, so I don't know. I don't know how to take care of dandruff. Ui ma. It fell. Enough of Dyson, but what to do? I love Dyson. What can I say now? अभी पूछ ही रहे हो तो मैं बता ही दूंगी ना, मैं झूठ थोड़ी बोलूंगी अभी. Enough of hair. Okay, chal. What next you want to talk about? Talk about skin. Y'all don't believe me only when I say just use moisturizer. Now what do I do? Legit, just use moisturizer. It's crazy. Once a week I'll use the scrub, but that's all. Moisturize the shit out of your face. It is the only skincare tip I can give you. Only through this whole move and everything, I've only put shit ton of moisturizer, the pomegranate moisturizer from the Face Shop, and that is it. I've not even put like beauty oils and all because I was so tired by the end of the day that also all my nails are broken. I just have like these last two left. Yeah. Oh, I'm starting my workout from Monday. Girl, it's been a month since I stopped working out. A month or two. Easily a month or two. I completely haven't worked out in 2 months. Cause who cares? I'll do it, yeah, when I can. Oh, pizza versus burgers. But chicken burgers. But now that I'm vegetarian, I'll choose pizza. Not vegetarian, but pescatarian. Beaches versus mountains. Beaches. Drives versus bars. Bars for sure. Amount of water I drink, I pretty much take a sip every 2 minutes. I don't know, I don't even count. Every 2 minutes. Like, I'm hoping, I want to start finishing this bottle twice. This is, I think, 750 ml or 1 liter. I'm not sure. Not 1 liter, I think 750 ml. But yeah, I finished this bottle twice at least. I should starting to, but I take a sip like every time. That's why I keep my bottle next to me at all times. Even if I'm going from my room to the hall, I'll take my bottle with me because I keep sipping water. So that is it. Face razors, not that much. I haven't used the razor in a long time. I have to though. I have to get rid of this. But whenever I look at myself in the mirror, I feel like, ooh, shaving time. That's when I do it. Definitely a chai person, not a coffee person at all. I do not take multivitamins because I cannot swallow tablets. I have a phobia of swallowing tablets, unfortunately. It's very scary for me. It's very, very, very scary for me. So yeah, no vitamins. I can take syrups, but I forget. I'm still a kid. I forget to take my syrups. Bro, it's getting damn garmi now. This jacket is damn good for winter. Yeah, it's very thick. Love you too. Tips for upper lip. I only use the upper lip wheat trimmer. There's nothing in my background. What you want to see is just a mirror. I don't know. There's nothing in my studio yet. ये पहले का dresser था. Everything is the same. I just got the mirror. See. That's it. No chemical peel. I definitely want a facial, like damn badly. I want this very hydrating spa experience. I'm trying to look for a salon that I can go to get that done. Like not salon, like a proper luxury skin spa. Cause dude, the amount of like skincare and hair care I need at this moment now during the shift, it just literally 180 it completely flipped. Like something happened in 1 week that both my hair and my skin became like, you know, the moment you need a facial, that's that moment right now. So the whole like, but I don't do any of those crazy chemical peels and all. I don't want to experiment. Yeah, my skin is okay. I'll get a pimple or two now and then. I'm fine. I don't have any. I don't care that much. Oh. No skincare video, guys. No skincare video. People don't agree with something and then they're all like, you didn't do this right, you didn't do that right. I'm still continuing to doing whatever suits my skin. And yeah, there might be some rules, but whoever followed rules, you know. So yeah, I did film this makeup look. It's the first video I filmed in this room. I'm gonna like check the footage now and see if the lighting is good. I'm really hoping the lighting is good. I changed my tech not entirely, but I definitely changed my tech. Like I don't have a ring light anymore. I don't have my soft boxes. I have this one brand new light. It's the size of my palm. That's the only light I'm using. I just ate lunch. So yeah. How to get rid of frizzy hair? Seriously? Girl, wrong person to ask. I live with frizzy hair, dude. Like you can't do much. Either you continue to blow dry it or you just accept your hair. That's all you can do. Do you have... Ooh, someone's coming on the door. Alright guys. I gotta go. Peace. I love you. I'll be back soon.